And let's take it straight to Francois Mitterrand.
Yes, the problem here, as you can see, bring the camera in close, is this trench is not wide enough. We've got a bit of a big, massive tree. He's going to try to take that away.
Alright, try to tip it. Let's see if it goes. Here's the hole. Here's the operator. Here goes the rest. Let's see if it goes.
So here we are at the third day of the Great Alaskan Landscaping section of the Great Alaskan Building in a Rainforest Challenge. We have Pete Beagle, who's going to be describing the events from here on out. Yeah, thank you, mate. So what we got here is a big root, and Jack Carl's going to be facing this one. He's got a giant rock. He's managed to get his flow going. This is the what we call trench building French drain section of the challenge, where they have to build something that's going to go behind the house and keep the garage safe. We've developed many pitfalls for all of them. There are what we call, come on, bring the camera over here, what we call two phases. We've got rocks and we've got roots, and this particular section is where we put in a goat little pen about 40 years ago. All these houses were built, as you know, 40 years ago to replicate the exact conditions for this challenge. We've got this pit. If you looked at Jacques Francois, the second in place from Carl Jack, we've got two front runners, but they've done such a different job on this section. These roots, as you can see, Carl's just spent a little bit of time, and Jack Carl knows that this is a problem. Here we are at the third month of the Great Alaskan Rainforest, Building in a Rainforest Challenge. And there he goes. Not only did he find the bonus route by hand, he's now got his chainsaw out and ready to cut. This is a sign of an experienced player at this game. We're excited out here. Let's take it straight to Francois Mitterrand.
Yes, the problem here, as you can see, bring the camera in close, is this trench is not wide enough. We've got a bit of a big,